to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I already know what this is, but I'm going to unbox it with y'all. I don't want anything to show my address, so I'm just going to open it. So this is my Brooke Nation hair growth oil. This is the packaging. So first of all, before I open this one, I want to show y'all this one because it looks just like this. I am, where am I? Where's the leg? Okay, I am right here with this Brooke Nation hair growth oil. Can y'all see? Hold on, I want y'all to be able to see. Do y'all see where I am? Right there. So I have about that much left. And I needed this stuff. So this is the Brooke Nation hair growth oil, and so let me go ahead and unbox it. It's so cute. I love her packaging. And you just open it. Jesus, these nails. Okay. And then it comes right out. This is the new bottle. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I got, it's cold. It's really cold because let me tell you what it looks like outside. It looks very nasty outside, like rain, just windy rain, trees blowing. It's just so disgusting. Like, stay indoors, people, stay indoors. But the packaging is so cute. And it's really cold because, like I said, so I live in like a cul-de-sac, right? So when you come in, it's my house. My house is literally sitting like on the curve, and I swear this dude literally speeds up every time because he knows like my house is on the like curb, so he can just speed up, and it just pisses me off. I don't know, like I hate niggas with fast cars. Like, it just really irritates me. But anyways, yeah, the Brooke Nation hair growth oil, this is what it looks like. Here is a full bottle. I appreciate how she fills her bottles to the complete top. Like, I appreciate that because some people don't. Some black owned companies don't, you know what I'm saying? Okay. But yeah, so I am right here with my Brooke Nation hair growth oil, and yeah. I paid $9.99 for this bottle because I ordered her hair Bible and got a discount code and stuff like that. So yeah, last time I ordered her oil, it was on Black Friday. She had a Black Friday sale, so I haven't paid $15 yet. Brooke Nation, keep coming with the deals, baby girl, because yeah, I'm loving them. So this is my hair Bible. I believe I showed y'all this already in an unboxing, but I have actually been writing in it, and I want to show y'all like my passages. So I wrote my name, Kyla Trees, in the little passage thing, and then it says I am now a member of the main team, and I signed it at the bottom. And then I put my hair type. So I just put 3C, 4A, and 4B because I know my hair type isn't 4C. But I just put 3C, 4A, and 4B. Yeah, because I genuinely don't know my hair type, but all I know is it's long and thick. And for this one, it says, let's make it happen. What's your goal? I put tailbone length because I'm almost there, and that just makes the most sense. Like, I already have ear length, I have collarbone length, shoulder length, armpit length, middle back, waist length, hip length. So I put tailbone length because my hair is in between waist length and medium back length. So I put tailbone length. And then it said, why did you choose this length? And I said, I love the way long hair looks on me, because I do. I don't know. I've had short hair, and I could rock it, but would I prefer to? No. You know what I'm saying? And then it says, what's my hair goal today? So I wrote this on 12/23/21. It says to keep my hair nice and protected, which means wearing my bonnet more. So yeah, I got my bonnet on. So I've been doing that, and it said, what differences have you known about your hair? And it says, I have known increased hair shine. So that is a difference with the using this hair oil. And it says, I dare you to apply this oil every day this week. Dare accepted, because I've definitely done that. And then it says, try to be more consistent and embrace your hair. Trust the process. I am trusting the process. So now what it say? Today is, hold on, I'm recording off of my phone. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. I just unplugged my ring light, but it's fine. Okay. So the dates, I have to get my iPad. The date is December 27th. So where's my pen? Where's my pen? Did I just have a pen? I just had a pen. Oh my God. We're just gonna get a new one. I don't have time. So today's date is 12. Oh, it's in the book. That's crazy as hell. I got up and got a new one. So it is 12/27/21. What is your hair goal for today? We're gonna put improve scalp health. Improve and less shedding. I'm left-handed. Did y'all know that? Comment down below if you're right-handed or left-handed or ambidextrous. I am a lefty. What differences have you noticed in your hair? What differences? Hair growth. I've seen hair growth. And we're going to do increased shine. And also reduce scalp itch, because my hair hasn't really itched like that. Even when it's dirty, it doesn't itch like that. And then it says, I challenge you to get lots of sleep. Okay, challenge accepted. Check. So as y'all can see, I checked it off. Challenge accepted. And then it says, did you know a head massage with Brooke Nation hair growth oil encourages blood circulation and scalp stimulation? This promotes healthy hair growth from the roots. I already knew that, but yeah. So then we're gonna go to day 3 and so on and so forth. This is just a guide to your natural hair journey, you know. So yeah, I love this book. It's definitely keeping me updated and things like that. So yeah, even though I have missed a couple of days, but it's whatever. So now that I have my oils, I am ready for my journey, and I'm just gonna keep my little bookmark here. I use her card as a bookmark to mark where I am. And yeah, challenge. What was the challenge? Get lots of sleep. I could do that. So, and I just keep this in my bag because it fits. And I keep my oils in my bag too. I'm not even gonna lie, because it just fits. So why not? You know what I'm saying? And let's just put my iPad in here too, because it fits. So we're just gonna put the iPad in here. as well because it fits. And it's not even heavy. Like, oh my god, I love this bag. Ugh, stop it. Stop playing with me. Anyways, so yeah, go ahead and get your Brooke Nation hair growth oil as well as your Brooke Nation hair Bible so you can stay updated and things like that. I paid with my own money and no sponsors, no you know what I'm saying? It wasn't free or anything like that. I just really love her business and I support Black girl businesses, especially if I see them using their own product. And I love that she actually uses her own stuff. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? I had to go ahead and support and things like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hold on, cause my skin, can we get into my skin and how good my skin looks? Okay, so I do want to show y'all what I've been using on my skin lately because I have eczema patches on my legs. And if y'all have eczema patches, I want to show y'all what you can use. My bad, y'all. I just got an email. But I want to show y'all what you can use. So I got this CeraVe. It is daily moisturizing lotion from Target, of course. Y'all know Target is my store. But I've been using this on my eczema patches on my legs, and it has definitely been working, and it soothes the skin. So it has it's for normal to dry skin, moisturizes and helps restore the protective barrier with 3 essential cremates, ceramides, what the fuck, and hyaluronic acid, lightweight, developed with dermatologists. How is it? I like that the first ingredient in here is water, and it is lightweight, gentle on skin, allergy tested. I like this. Lightweight and oil free, and it won't clog pores. So I needed something that I just needed like not medicated, but I needed something that was good for eczema, and yeah, because I have eczema patches. So CeraVe, this is really, really, really good. This was $10 for 12 ounces. Kind of expensive, but whatever. I am going to get the larger jar. That's 17, but it's worth it because it works. So I wanted to try this one out. And yeah, it definitely has been working, soothing my skin and things like that. I just got out of the shower, so I'm going to put a little bit more on. I don't know how I got eczema patches, but my mom was like, usually it starts when you're a child, and usually people grow out of it by this age because I'm 23, but I'm a little backwards. I guess it's starting at 23, so yeah, just gonna put that on my legs. It feels so soothing, and it just smells really good too. Now it doesn't have a floral scent in here because it's, you know, it's not meant for that, but it smells pleasant. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I had to put y'all onto some CeraVe because I like this stuff, and it's lightweight. I use this on my face as well. I've been using this for a minute. But yeah, accepted National Eczema Association. So it's accepted by the National Eczema Association. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.